Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can create a team in Basecamp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Basecamp. After that, log in or sign up on the website. Once you're done logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here you will see the project you are currently working on in the center and your complete credentials at the top of the page. Now, click on the project in which you want to create a new team. After that, after opening the project, you will be able to see the progress and other aspects of your work. Here, click on the Add People button located at the top. Then simply select Add People. Now, add the people based on their contact names. You can add as many people as you want like this, and by adding their names side by side one after another, or you can add them one by one. So by adding one person and then repeating the process again and again. Anyway, so then it will ask you for the invitation description that will show up when they open up the invitation. I'll keep it random for this tutorial. And after that, after entering the description, click on Add them to the project. And that's how you can create a team in Basecamp. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.